I told myself that for my New Year's resolution, I would get organized. In the past, I would have to use Post-its whenever I wanted to remember stuff. That worked for a while, but now there's Post-its everywhere in the house and office. I found this online and the reviews were pretty good. This is a combination of Whiteboard and Corkboard that you can use as a monthly planner. There's boxes and grids for you to fill in for that month. Let me show you what's included with this purchase. You get 4 button magnets, 10 colored dry erase pens, and 10 round wooden push pins. You can use this board as a monthly calendar and a daily reminder for your to-do list. I create a lot of content. I use this whiteboard to remind me which product needs video and when they need to be posted. One thing that I really like about this product is that it's super easy to install. There are built-in picture hanger tabs on the back of the board. It just requires 2 wall screws, or in my case, 2 push pins to be installed behind the whiteboard. I'm a perfectionist, as you can tell, and I need my pictures and boards to be perfectly straight. So whenever I'm measuring, I'm always using a level. Measure your 2 endpoints and then just put your push pins on it. Once they are in place, then just put the board behind it and they will snap in place. And that's it. You don't have to worry about drilling or making big holes in the wall. If you're renting a place, it is tenant friendly because it doesn't leave a big hole. I've been using this product for the last month and it is a game changer for me. There's less Post-it lying around the house, and with one quick glance I can see what I need to do for the month. The surface on the whiteboard is very smooth and the dry erase markers work very well on it. It wipes off quickly and does not leave streaks.